Hi kids, good afternoon. Welcome back to our math online class. And I'm back. This is teacher LM. So this morning class, we studied number 41, right? So we studied number 41 this morning, and this afternoon we are going to learn a new number. But before that, let's have a review first. What is the spelling of number 41? Okay, are you ready? Spell with me, okay, kids? Okay, so everybody, 41 I spell Fortyon. 41. Okay, good job. So this afternoon class, let's study number 42. Do you know how to write number 42? Okay, great. So this number is number 42. Okay, so this is number 42. Now let's practice counting 42 class. So in this picture, there are 42 objects. Let's count. Okay, everybody, count with me. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Okay, good job, kids. Now, let's learn how to spell number 42. Okay, so everybody, number 42 I spell Fortwytwo. Okay, one more time. 42 I spell Fortwytwo. 42. Okay, good job, kids. Now, let's identify number 42 class. Okay, so direction, find, and circle number 42. So we have here sets of numbers. So we need to circle number 42. Okay, so in the first row, there are two 42s. Okay, we have there and there. So the second row class, we have two 42 in a row also. So we have 1 and 2, okay? Next, we have only 1 in the third row. So there is 1, okay, there. And the last row, we have two 42s. Okay, let's circle 1 and 2. Okay, class? So these numbers are all 42, okay? Now, let's see if you can spell 42. Okay, everybody, let's spell together one more time. How do you spell 42? So 42, I spell Fortwytwo. 42. Again, kids, one more time. How do you spell 42? Fortwytwo. Good job. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. And again, this is Teacher LM. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Goodbye, kids. Don't forget your portfolio.